Good morning. Thank you for this chance. My name is Ramesh Tirua. I am 25 years old. I am from Sindhupalchok district, Nepal. I am married. I have three members in my family. My education is plus 2 pass. My height is 5.5 feet and weight is 58 kg. I am medically fit and fine. My hobbies are playing football, volleyball, watching movie, traveling, cooking, etc. I have 2 years work experience as a factory worker in Nepal. I want to come to any European countries as a factory worker to earn money and support my family, secure my future. I can do loading, uploading, cleaning and weight lifting, operating machine, material handle, safety, etc. I will stay there for the long term, maybe 5 6 years also. I will follow the company rules and politics. Thank you. Thank you.